So Blender version 4.3 was just released, and one of the new features which I find really useful is the new connect strips feature in the video editor. So I edit all of my videos with Blender, and so in the old Blender version, if I just drag and drop in my video here, I'm going to put the audio on top of the video. And now I can play my recorded video and edit the tutorial. Now I edit very long tutorial videos, so there are often many spaces where I have to cut out extra spaces in my video recording. But of course, when you're video editing, you always want to make sure you have the video and audio synced up, so you can just select both the video and audio strip, and then you can cut the strips, and then go here to the end, and then cut the strips again, and then just delete the extra space. But I find it quite tedious to have to select the audio strip and the video strip at the same time, and then of course when you're moving the audio strip over, you have to make sure you move the video strip over as well. So what I always did was selected both the audio and video strip, and I joined them together into meta strips. And the meta strip allows you to just use one strip, which keeps the audio and video together. But the problem with the meta strip is you can't actually see the audio wavelengths. So I've been video editing this way for years. Basically what I do is I join the audio and video into a meta strip, then you hit tab to go into the meta strip, I go here to where I want to cut it, then I have to go out of the meta strip, cut the strip, go back into the meta strip so I can actually see the audio, go here to the end where the audio starts again, and then again go out of the meta strip, cut the strip again, and then delete it, and then I can move them both together. And so since I've been video editing hundreds and hours of videos for all the videos on my channel, I've gotten really quite fast at this, but it's quite annoying to have to go into the meta strip just to see the audio wavelength. Well, in the new Blender version of 4.3, there's a new connect feature, so I'm just going to add in the video into Blender version 4.3. And you can see there's a little icon here showing us that the strips are connected. So if I just select the video strip, you can see the audio strip is also selected, so I can move the video strip around and the audio strip is going to move with it. In this way, it makes it super easy just to go to the starting where I start to talk in the tutorial, and then just cut it, and then go here to the very end, and then I can just select one of the strips and then cut it again, and because they are connected, I just had the video strip selected, but you can see it's going to cut the audio strip as well, and I can move it and I can delete it, and the other strip is going to do exactly what the other strip does. Now if you want to unconnect the strips, you can select the strip and then press Ctrl-Alt-C. So Ctrl-Alt-C will disconnect them, so I can just delete this audio if I want to. Now I actually don't use the audio that comes with the video file because I throw my audio into Audacity and then do some audio correction like some noise removal. So now what I'm going to do is throw in this new audio file, and this one has the noise removal. Now I'm running into the problem though where I have to select both of them, so what I can do is just select the video strip and then select the audio strip, and again press Ctrl-Alt-C. So Ctrl-Alt-C will connect the strips and disconnect the strips. So now that they're connected, I can just go here to the starting of the video, and I can just select the audio strip. I don't have to select the video strip, and then I can just cut the strip, go to the end here, cut the strip, and then go to the next part here and just cut the strip. And so this is a lot faster and a lot easier to use. And another great feature that's been added to the video editor is snapping. So I can click up here to turn on the snapping feature, and there's borders, centers, and other strips. So now if I wanted to move this text around and I wanted to make sure it was in the exact very center, I can just turn on the snapping, stick it there, or I can just move it up along the snapping and I can make sure that it's in the very center. I can also add in an image and I can scale the image, and since the snapping feature is turned on, I can just make sure the snapping keeps it in the very center. So I can move it over here or over here. And let's say I want to put the text in the very center of this photo, so I can select the text and move it over, but because the snapping feature is turned on, it's going to give me these snapping grids, so I can stick this text right in the very center of the image that I've added. So this is a very useful new feature as well. So if you'd like to download Blender version 4.3, you can do that on Blender's website, blender.org. You can also watch their recap video where they talk about new features, and you can also check out this page here linked in the description where they go over all of Blender's new features. So I hope you found the video helpful, and thanks for watching.